Sushi, that's new. What a hot day. Building used to be cinema. I think the Gaiety Cinema. Many years ago. Paint this wall. There used to be some very nice street art over there, but it was removed due to development. You have to be careful when crossing over here, because sometimes the cars don't stop. Here we are at Arid Dut. Yes, this area is called Arid Dut. It's the cave of the ants, the ant cave. Ant-Man would be at home here. Starbucks, the first Starbucks in Sliema. I'm not sure if it was the first one in Malta too. Might have been. Probably was the first. The first Starbucks I ever visited was in Nuremberg, Germany, a number of years ago. Very nice town, and I did a video there about the architect Falzon, who was from Malta, and he basically he designed the castle, famous castle there. Most of us Maltese probably don't even know who he is, but he was, I think, in the Middle Ages, something like that. Construction going on here.
Подобали. Чуй.
So over here you used to have the Tanti kiosk selling ice creams. It was very famous. I don't know if there are any old photos of it, but anyway, it was the place to go in Arid Dut. Yes, changed now. No, there's Mason's Bistro. Very different.
Huh?
This was an old fortress, and now it's a restaurant. Falafel and kebab. Find out of places these days with kebabs in Malta. quite popular thing to have in Malta, it seems now. Before pizza, I was telling you about it. Okay, and if you're here, from here, you can also from Xolo, you can buy Ċisk Lager and Kini. Don't forget those are local drinks. Ċisk Lager is a beer, very famous beer here. And there's also Kini, a soft drink. You might like it, or perhaps not. It depends, you know. It's made with oranges and aromatic herbs, so you might like it or not. That's no. Okay, so thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Click the notification bell, and also press like on the video. And why not share it with your friends? That helps me. I'll see you in the next video. This is the first one that I have done completely with my new camera. Thank you very much. You can see the unboxing video also for this camera. Bye from Travel Malta in Sliema.